Hello everyone, I thought I would have a go at making some envelopes, and these are my first attempt. It's double-sided paper, the pattern, which probably would be easier if I didn't use something that was the same colour each side to show you. But I thought what you could do with these, if you're anything like me, I have bags of buttons. I used to sell, this is how I started, I used to sell buttons. Oh, I have all sorts. These are very pretty, these dolphin, and they are a shabby vintage look, which is what I like. So you could always just stick a button on if you wanted to, or you can get one of those corner cutters, which I don't have, to take the corner off. So this was my first 2 attempts. It's not perfect, but it doesn't matter. I'm just, for this, just gonna make a little mark on there. Again, this is for me. And I'm gonna fold both ends over till they meet. There's the line, and that's where they meet, and then fold them down. Then take a ruler where these 2 sides meet, and then we're going to take the bottom and then fold it up where the ruler meets, and then fold down. Now here, you have to excuse me, I still have my cold. Now here, where these 2 sides meet here, I'm going to put the ruler across. It would be a lot easier if I didn't use this paper, but I thought, oh, this would be great. This would be great. Fold it over. And then where that line is there, I'm going to put some glue. I'm using this glue, and then we fold it over, stick it down. Then what we're going to do, we're going to put glue on this little bit here and here, not there, this little bit here and down there. So this bit, that bit, there and there. Fold it over. I find that as I go on, they are getting better. And then at the top, where these meet, where those 2 lines meet, bend that over. There's another one. So it's my first attempt at making my own envelopes. What do you think? Have a go. If you are beginning to do junk journaling, like I am, have a go and let me know how you get on. This is how mine has gone. I mean, they do the job. They do the job. I think they're pretty. They're not perfect, but do have a go. So that's using paper. Do you know what I'm going to do? I am going to try card. See if it's any better using card. Let's have a go. Right, put on the 15. Let's see if it's any better with card. It might help if I do make a line. I see people using a, what do you call them? Bone. I think they call it a bone something. Oh, we don't have one of those, so we'll just use hands. We'll just use what we've got. Right. Let's see if it's any better with cord. Oh, I don't know. Again, so where these 2 points meet, let's bend that there. I'm not sure this glue will be strong enough for this card. So there's that one. And again, I'm going to put it along there and there, down here and here. That's going to have to dry. Let's just fold this one over. So that's using card. I think I prefer to use the card. Anyway, have a go and let me know how you get on. And if you've got any tips, let me have them. But I think out of all of them, I do like this one. Yeah, I think I do like that one better. I do not have any junk journaling friends, so if you wanna join my channel, I do other tutorials, mainly jewelry for beginners. But if you want to join me on my junk journaling journey, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everybody and happy crafting.